Here I've got DOOGEE S55 Lite, and let me show you how to reset DRM on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and select system, so it's the last icon, then go to reset options, where you will notice DRM reset, so it's the first tab. So if you truly want to delete all licenses, simply click on it, then tap on DRM reset one more time and confirm it one more time, because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all the licenses on your DOOGEE S55. Click on OK to confirm, and as you can see, licenses have been deleted successfully. So that's all. This is how you can delete DRM in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.